Madam Chancellor, Madam President, George Brown College faculty and staff, graduates, friends, and family, welcome. I'm very grateful for the distinction of an honorary degree in honors behavior analysis from George Brown College, and I'm proud to share this celebration with all of you, the class of 2020 graduates of the Center for Community Services and Health Sciences. It's a day to celebrate, a day to give thanks, and most importantly, a day to remember. I'm honored by your invitation to contribute to your memories of this special day. Today marks the accomplishments of many years, the creation of a lifetime of connections, the discovery of new friends, and the realization of hopes and dreams, yours and those of your parents and loved ones. While I know you're missing out on the camaraderie, the closure, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with a graduation ceremony, hold on to the million memories of the last few years. The sweet ones, of course, but also the hard ones and the poignant ones. They're all part of an important whole, and they'll all be woven into the stories of these often disorienting times that you tell in the future. You're witnesses to a singular moment in time, a global pandemic. It's a time when the caring professions have been shining examples of courage and professionalism. And as you're about to be delivered into a world in turmoil, I guarantee that this world is still, perhaps because of all we've been through, a world that's magnificent and alive with opportunity, especially for those who've chosen to care. Whether you've studied to become a personal support worker, an early childhood educator, or a dental hygienist. Whether you'll be delivering direct care, teaching, or supporting care, you've chosen to touch other human beings with your head, with your heart, and with your hands. You've perfected skills, and you've chosen service over self. You've decided to be someone who cares. And when you care, you become a stronger person, and you contribute to a better world. Today, I'd like to give you my thoughts on the unique responsibility that will define your work, your duty of care. Now, I happen to be a science fiction fan, and my favorite series is Doctor Who. I'm especially fond of the 3 years during which the traveling companion of Doctor Who is Clara Oswald. Clara's a school teacher. Many times as they traveled together, one or the other of them would explain their actions using the phrase, duty of care. Clara introduces the concept to the doctor to explain why she can't abandon her students in a crisis. In a later episode, when the doctor undertakes an enormous feat of strength and persistence to save Clara's life, she asks him why he risked so much. And of course he answers, duty of care. Your future comes with that duty of care. As long as you honor that duty, you're on the side of the angels. That means you stand on the high ground occupied by all professionals and all that the tenets of professionalism represent. Special skills and knowledge, service over self, and the responsibility of holding each other accountable. Your duty of care has 3 parts. First, you have a duty to yourself, a duty to reflect. You must consciously and continually attend to your own physical, emotional, and mental health, so you can be at your best for those you serve. Second, you have the profound duty to serve in the interests of those under your care. This is a promise you make to every person who seeks your care and support. It's a promise you make to your profession and to society. And third, you have a major citizenship duty, the duty to learn and grow in your profession, to give back to your teachers and mentors, and to pay it forward to those who will come after you. Some of you have always known this was your path. For others, your decision was shaped by a life experience, by your family, your community, your friends, or your context. However you came here, now more than ever, the world needs care, and it needs your caring. You're embarking on your new career at a remarkable time in history. The experience of COVID-19 is unique to all of us and carries opportunities to disrupt the status quo and accelerate the exploration of solutions to long-standing human challenges. In my role as President and CEO of CAMH, I see a new and urgent willingness to come together, to collaborate and problem solve in ways that I haven't seen in the past. As Canadians, we're in touch with what matters most, keeping each other safe and well. In other words, I see a clear pathway to executing all aspects of our duty of care. It's an exciting time to be entering the professional world of caring. Take what you've learned from your courses and your practicums. Use this pandemic mentality to harness the power of a movement in history and step into your role with pride, with humility, and a commitment to give the world your best. I'm excited for all of you and for all the possibility that you represent as you start the next chapter of your life. My sincere wish for you is that you experience all the joy and gratification that each chance to care has given me in my professional life. Congratulations.